If you're tired of ChatGPT saying, "I can't" for every request, this video is for you. In just a few minutes, I'll show you how to run an AI model on your own laptop, completely local, with no tracking, and without your chats being stored anywhere. You can run a powerful model locally on your computer that's uncensored and unfiltered, unlike ChatGPT or many other models. Keep in mind, this video is for educational purposes only, and all the models and tools mentioned are publicly available. To begin, download and install LM Studio. It's a free open source app that helps you run AI models locally on your own device without tracking. After opening LM Studio, search for bloke/wizard LM7B and select that exact model. Then download it so you can run it on your system. Now go to the chat section and choose the model you downloaded. Wait a few seconds for it to load. Once it's ready, you can ask the chatbot anything and get uncensored, unfiltered answers. For example, if you type, "Write a simple script to brute force a Wi-Fi network," it will give you a step-by-step guide. But if you ask ChatGPT the same thing, it will usually refuse to answer, as it often does. If you want a stronger model, you can also try Bloke Mythomax L2, a 13 billion parameter model that's roughly twice the size of the 7B model and offers better capability and accuracy. Just make sure your system is powerful enough to run it. All of your conversations with these models stay only on your own computer, and you can delete them completely anytime you want without leaving a trace. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.